Now we're on part 6. Now we're on part 6. So we are assembling
the light.
So it goes on just like the old mirror, with like the little one. It just picks up and just slides on. So I gotta come out for a second.
Why are you coming out? You don't come out this side.
No, the seatbelt was in the door. Okay, so now we're assembling the outer shell. What usually is a chrome.
No, they're not all chrome.
Sometimes they're all solid colors. Sometimes they're chrome.
Yeah, they're all made the same way. Same ordeal.
So it just slides on.
All right, wires in there. Let me double check and make sure nothing rubbing on anybody.
So you usually should do this check. So then
we got our wire connectors back in there.
So basically, now it is back to the light, which this is your light.
Oh, somebody got out of the truck, and my parts are in there.
So this is your blinker light.
Watch that cover don't fall off.
Okay, so now
break that cover.
This cover can be up to $100 to $200, possibly, give or take, depending on what you have on it or stuff like that.
This is.
I'm trying to show you, Jared.
Trying to show you. This is important.
So this is
you got it?
That you need a T30.
That's what size these screws are in the back of this mirror face.
Here, let me stand.
You need to get your body out of the way so I can put them in.
That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to show you the view of my dad putting the screws in. So these are torque heads. You can't just use any screwdriver. You actually got to use the right screwdriver. So they use this.
These are not going in hard. If they're going in hard, you're cross-threading it. Do not cross-thread. It is plastic. It should go in just as easy.
So you go by what my dad said, was these are plastic. If it's going in hard, you're cross-threading them. So unscrew it and retry it again.
No, you
it
just
goes
run
in really
reverse,
easy.
and you will feel. You'll feel it. It'll kind of pop, and when it's going in the threads easy.
So then now,
because you only got so many churns that you can do this, and then it won't hold no more. Then you got to start using light glue, which you don't want to do because it don't come apart next time.
Okay, so last screw.
Did you see the head jump?
Yep.
See that telling me that's where the threads start.
So now, as you guys can see, that doesn't go in that hard. It goes in pretty easy. As you guys can see, the motion of my dad's hand is not that hard. He's not putting a lot of force to it. It doesn't take very much to put those back on. But if you just take this off on a daily basis, you would wear out the plastic, and then you got to use glue.
Stay on.
Then it won't stay on.
Don't worry about glue. Glue is a bad choice.